everyone, this is Devins Financial Weekly Stock Analysis Newsletter. Today is December 20th, 2015. Our newsletter is for your informational purpose only. We're not responsible for your gains or losses. Let's take a look at current market trend and our strategy. US stock market uptrend is under pressure. Last week, I bought a few stocks as the market appeared to rebound in the early of the week. But now from a hindsight, that's not a good idea because later of the week, market came down with a very high volume. I'm managing my existing long position by tied up the stop order. Let's take a look at market indices and its chart. And German DAX index rebounded, hit the 50-day moving average. Looks like it may just came down from here. 50-day moving average may be serving as a resistance. NASDAQ Monday has a very good day on Monday. Market hit the low but closed very high, and the volume is pretty good compared with the previous day. So it looks like the market will rebound from here. It did rebound for next 2 days, Tuesday and Wednesday. But Thursday market closed down and Friday closed down even more with a very high volume. This is not positive. So this is not the good market has not demonstrated it has a strong uptrend. So the uptrend is under pressure right now, especially it has closed down below 50-day moving average for 2 days. That's not a good thing. A mid cap stay below 50-day moving average. Small cap also stay below 50-day moving average. A large cap looks very similar to NASDAQ and bounced back up and closed down. Gold continue to be in the downtrend. Silver also downtrend. Gold mining stock index and GDX, this is also downtrend. US dollar remain uptrend. It hit 50-day moving average and go up. Although right now it's below the high, but from the trend, this trend is still up. Crude oil downtrend. This is a very severe downtrend for the crude oil. Energy ETF downtrend. China stock index, China Shanghai Stock Exchange Index is in the uptrend, and it kind of hit the below 50-day moving average, but it quickly had a rebound. So right now it's still in a uptrend, but overall it's consolidating between 3,300 and 3,600, this trending range. ASHS is a China Asia ETF. It's the same with the index. It's in the consolidation range, but overall trend is up. CNXT is another China Asia ETF, uptrend, but consolidating within a range. FXI is a China stock ADR, that's like a 24 or 25 large companies, and they sold in Hong Kong. They are issue stocks in Hong Kong, and the U.S. investor can buy American Deposit Repository, something. It's ADR. It's called ADR, and this is in the downtrend. FXI is definitely performed much worse than the other China Asia stock. It's in the downtrend. IBB is the U.S. biotech ETF, consolidating. This is in the trading range. IYR is a U.S. real estate consolidating. GETS. I pulled this up because this is a airline ETF. This ETF inverse correlated with crude oil. When crude oil is in a downtrend, this ETF is in the uptrend. But for now, it's not a very strong uptrend. It's just trading between the range of 24 and 26. GGC is the copper price downtrend. MBB is the bond price, and this is in the consolidating. It's kind of it's still the trend. It just gets stuck in the 50-day and the 200-day moving average. It's hard to see whether it has a uptrend or downtrend. It just in a trading range. And mortgage interest rate is inversely correlated with the interest bond price. So interest rate right now is still, compared with the historical level, is still in a very low, but anticipate it will move up as the as the interest rate goes up, the mortgage rate will move up as well. SMH is a semiconductor ETF, and it previously was in the uptrend, but now it is very dangerous to tip over, going down because it's already close below 50-day moving average. Social media index ETF, and still above 50-day moving average, but at risk because it didn't touch the previous high and came down. If it break 19.33, it can reverse the trend to the downside. 10 is a solar ETF. This is an interesting ETF. It had a very big downtrend. Now it's trying to make a double bottom. So if this ETF can break above 33, which is 32.98 plus 10 cents, if this ETF can break above that range, this can go back to the uptrend. If not, then it will be just stuck in this trading range, 25 to 32. And if it go below 25, obviously it will resume its previous downtrend. So this is a solar ETF. It's something to watch. Financial ETF broke below 50-day moving average. Not a good thing. And see, this is making a lower low. It's a lower high. Every peak is lower than previous peak. And every bottom, the oscillation bottom is lower than previous one. So this is not a good idea. So financial ETF is leading the general market. When financial ETF is not doing well, we can anticipate general market will not be very strong. So right now we have to be very, very cautious with the market. And trades, and I closed gold mining stock GDX. So the rebound did not materialize. So I had a little bit of loss, and I cut the loss quickly and got out. But on Monday and Tuesday, I bought a few more stocks. I bought Amazon, Facebook, Palo Alto Network, and the ServiceNow, those 4 stocks, plus previous Google stocks. So I now have 5 stocks. And Thursday and Friday, the market action is not very good. The stocks I'm holding on, although they didn't drop too much compared to with the general market, they perform better than the market. However, when the general market is not doing well, and all stocks may come down no matter how strong they are. So my defense action is tied up the stop order, just move up the stop order. So any drop from now, and my long position can get out. So I'm playing very defense right now. So, and I don't have any watch list, so I'm not looking to buy any stock for now. I'm just looking to find a reason to sell my existing long positions. So let's take a look at what I'm holding now. I'm holding Amazon. Overall, the stock is still in the uptrend. You see the moving average is still in a positive, price is above the major moving average. However, this is a tiny thing here. This is very much a very small detail here. The price 682 is this oscillating peak is lower than previous peak 684. If the stock came down, my stop order is around 30-day moving average, which is 654. If it reached that price, if it dropped down below that price, I will get stopped out. Facebook, same thing. Looks like a rebound from 50-day moving average. That's when I bought it because it looks like it's fine support. And However, the price did not hit the previous peak and started coming down. My stop order is at the 50-day moving average, which is 103. If this stock touch 103, I will get stopped out. Google also finds support at 50-day moving average. That's something I found very promising. However, this promise did not materialize. The stock just came down on Thursday and Friday as the market came down. My stop actually is a very tight here. It's right below Friday's low. 756. So if it drop a little bit, I will get stopped out. The reason is I don't want to move the stop order below 50-day moving average because that would be too much. I would giving up too much. So Service Now is the same thing and looks like a found support on 50-day moving average. That's when I bought it, but the rebound did not materialize. It did not hit the previous high and started coming down with pretty high volume on Friday. So my stop is right at the 30-day moving average, $85. So, and sorry. Okay, the last one is the Palo Alto Network. Same thing, is actually found support on 30-day moving average, but that's not it's not very optimistic because of the current market positions. Current market direction is not very clear. It looks like there's a lot of pressure, a lot of selling pressure. So I put the 30-day moving average as my stop for this Palo Alto Networks. So if it came down below 30-day moving average, I would just sell and stay out for a little while. And that's all my current position. And Amazon is 13%, Facebook 13%, 12% for Google, and Palo Alto Network is 15%, ServiceNow is 14%. So total, I'm 67% invested. And given the market direction is a uptrend under pressure, this is a little too high. So I'm looking to reduce my long position by tied up the stop order, let the market take me out of the long position. That's all for this week. See you next week.